Okay, this video is going to show if you're getting error code P0442 455 and 456. They're leak detections in your evap system, which typically comes from a bad gas cap, a seal around the gas cap, or somewhere in the system. For starters, the easiest and quickest is checking your gas cap. I replaced mine, so that's not the fault why I'm still getting the error message. But you want to check the seal, and if your cap's all old and dirty, it's worth replacing anyways. Make sure around your fill tube, make sure that that's clean. Don't use anything that's going to cause a spark, like steel wool, to clean it if it's dirty. Just some kind of a solvent. So the next part to check, which is an easy, another easy fix, is the evap canister purge valve. Now this is located on the next to the battery. This is for 2008 to 2014 Jeep Liberties and Dodge Nitros. It could be in similar spots for Jeeps, other Jeeps, and other vehicles. All right, well, for starters, to check this valve, now this pops out real easily. It just really slides up and off. But you've got this clip that you slide this way, press down, so you can remove your, oops, press here, so you can remove your connection. And then when you slide it up, you can look, you'll see, make sure you can twist them a little bit, so they're kind of broken free from their seats. There's a green push button here, and some idiot design put a black push button on a black fitting. But just to show you with this one, basically you just press it down, and let me get my, get this set up. So we push on the little green button, and then out it pops. Now for the lower one, we push on the black, sometimes press it down a little to get it to release. Sorry, my hand's in the way. There we go. So this is what the purge valve looks like. This is the intake on the bottom, which comes from the evap canister. So to test it, you want to connect, have your top part connected, and start your engine, and then just tap your finger here with a damp finger to feel if you have a suction. If you have a suction going on, this valve is bad. This is actually the problem I'm having with mine. One thing I forgot to mention, now these are hard plastic tubes. Some of the other versions have rubber fittings on them. You want to check all those rubber fittings for leaks. And after you do this test where you disconnect your purge valve, you're going to get error code 442, which is a mass, it's a large leak. The other place we can check is in the driver's side rear wheel well. All the rubber hoses fittings that go to the gas tank, and also the evap canister and the leak detection pump. And there's a clip here that you press in so you can pull the electrical connector. And then there's a little tab here that you can reach, and it slides down, and then it's quarter turn and pops off. You also remove this hose. And I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.